I washed 5 kilos of tomatoes. I will clean it and cut it into larger pieces. Write me in the comments from which country you are watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will grind the sliced tomatoes in a blender. I pour the ground tomatoes into the pot. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the tomatoes boil, I cook for 20 minutes. Foam is created during cooking. Remove foam. After 20 minutes of cooking, I add a spoonful of sugar. I add a spoonful of salt. You add according to your taste. The acidity of tomatoes depends on their maturity, between pH 4.6 and pH 5.5. For tomato juice, use ripe and slightly overripe tomatoes. Overripe tomatoes have more acidity. Acidity is an important part of safe canning. The pH value must be 4.6 or lower. If the tomatoes are not ripe enough, add lemon juice or vinegar. This will increase the acidity. I pour hot tomato juice into sterilized bottles. Close the bottle while it is hot. Once the jars and bottles have cooled, store in a dark, cool place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.